Once again, welcome to you. And now this session, we complete the allotment of IP and try to make routing protocols certain decision and discussion. Okay. So without delay, just start our project. So today, how to configure IP allotment of this router. Earlier in the last session, we discussed, and just I give the remaining portion for you. Now allotment of IP on this PE router. So are you allotment of IP on this router? Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
What allotment of FA0/1? What allotment of IP FA0/1?
Sir, your voice is not visible, sir. Audible, sir. Clear, sir.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. I am asking to you. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's now.
I think a disturbance from your side, so it generate echo. You please mute and write the message. Okay. Okay. Now I am audible. Yes or no? Just write the message. Now I am audible. Okay. So my question is that in the morning, just allotment of IP on this router already done as per information received from your side, already done. But now question is that are you allotted IP from ISP router? Yes or no? Please message. Are you allotment of IP on this location? Yes or no? Nana, am I audible? Yes, okay. So what allotment of IP 01 in this case and what allotment of IP for 00? Please write the message. In this case, allotment of IP 0/0, definitely or here the network ID is the 2.0. So that means key allotment of IP of this port is 192.168.2.1/24, and again IP allotment for the F0/0, F0/0. In this case, allotment of IP of this port is the 3.1 and network ID is 3.0. So definitely IP is available from 3.1 to 254. One is already allotment to the this port. So for the this port, allotment of IP 192.168.3.2, okay, /24. So this is the planning and how to allotment of this IP already done in this ALTTC router. So just click on this router, go to the CLI mode and press enter button. First enable. Next command is the config T, already discussed how to reach, and just reach this point INT interface FA0/1 allotment of IP add 192.168.3.1 with subnet mask 255./24 255.255.0. Same already by default router power supply port is off. So for power supply on, no set. Okay, and automatically it become green, orange, and then become green. After the work, saving is important. Do right. Now exit. I go for the another port INT FA0/0 allotment of IP for the this port IP add 192.168.3.2 255.255.255.0 overlap with Ethernet 01. Oh, sorry. Here is already here wrong here na, because this port is allotment of the 2.1. By mistake, I here allotted 3.1. So first exit from this port. I will correct now. I actually here I wrongly allotment of IPFA 0/1. Okay. So definitely my router warning to me, this is overlap 0/1. One line, one network ID IP. So for sort out this issue, I go back this port again, INT FA 0/1. Again here write IP add overwrite. If I write again IP address, so definitely old IP address automatically removed. So I 192.168. This is the 3.1 and sorry 2.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 power supply no set or now do right. Okay, and again check this my port. This is the 2.1. Due to the overlap, so definitely FA00 port is the now down. So first again go to the port, exit from this current port and again go port number FA0/0. Same repeat IP add 192.168.3.2 subnet mask and power supply no set. When just power supply no set, you can see uh, power supply on both location. Okay, and now saving in important do right and exit. Okay, so in this case router port IP address is the 3.2 2.1. Okay, so now allotment of IP done both side router. So Nana, is possible you can allotment of IP in all 4 port now? Okay, yeah, you can do allotment of IP this router done by you, yes or no? I'll now say allotment of IP, yes, this was not done. Okay, no problem, but you can do it. Okay, no, not issue. Okay, so this is the allotment of IP. You first see video again and allotment of this IP also. Okay, now allotment of IP go for this computer. How to allotment of this computer IP? Already as per our planning, PC 0 IP is the 1.2 and laptop 0 IP is the 1.3. So if I move my mouse on the computer, you can see fast Ethernet link by default computer port is on, but IP address is not set. So how to allotment of IP manually? Just click on this computer, go to the desktop and go to the IP config. Okay, and allotment of IP as per your planning 192.168.1. If I put one here, suppose if I put one here, so what will be here problem? Because one is already given. So already you are aware in the network single IP only allotted to the single computer. Like same two telephone number never same for two different user. All telephone number is different. So same manner IP address is a different for different user. Definitely this already 1.1 is allotted. This is if I put here the what happened, my simulator again here messaging this address is already used in the network. So now meaning is you can allotment of IP from one already given 2 to 254. So now just 192.168.2 okay, subnet mask this is by default. Okay, what is the gateway? So now meaning of gateway now learn to here. This computer and this computer location different location. Yeah, either any laptop. I want to sending some information, some communication from PC 0 to PC 3. So definitely this is not go to the in air. What is the path? If I sending message from this PC to my PC, just take the packet information, go to the switch number 1. Number 2, go to the router and go to the another router and then entry and finally communicate from this location and returning back, just come back, return, acknowledge that he come back and finally go to in the computer. Okay, the communication between two computer PC0 to PC3, it's possible only via this port only. Okay, never not required another port. Okay, so this any computer, not only for this single computer, we go for the laptop, you go for the tablet, everything. So if every either this computer, this go, this go, this go, so only one path is there. This is the main path. The router port, this is known as gateway. Gateway is just one that location which your communication go outside your own LAN, your own network. Like very similar in your college, entry gate, exit gate is single. So that entry and exit gate is known as gateway. The same manner in every LAN, doesn't matter what computer, laptop, but all if want to communicate outside, either smart device, tablet, so definitely location is outside from the LAN. This is the FA 0 by 0. So this is the gateway. So gateway is nothing, simply that location from all devices go outside own LAN, yeah, own network. Now come back, just look. The next line is very important. So what is the default gateway? Definitely this port 192.168.1.1. This is the gateway. The gateway for all computer, laptop, smart devices are the same. So same laptop is here. Go to the desktop, allotment of IP 192.1.1 already used. 1.2 is also already, now you can put 1.3. 192.168.1.1. Okay, this is the gateway point. And next, for this computer, what is the gateway? That is gateway. So allotment of PC3 IP 192.168.3.3